It's no secret that we are in an AI revolution, and businesses that want to harness the power of artificial intelligence need to fundamentally transform themselves into AI enterprises, because that is the key to improving customer relationships, productivity, and margins. But listen, you're not going to get there by downloading some random chatbot. There are a few simple but critical steps that you need to take first. I'm Brian Tong, and this is Salesforce Explained. Now, becoming an AI enterprise has nothing to do with how big you are, and it doesn't mean you're in the business of artificial intelligence. So what does it mean? Simply put, an AI enterprise is a company that prioritizes AI-assisted ways of working across the entire business and augments its operations and customer interactions with trusted AI. And now you're probably saying, okay, but how do I do that, Brian? Well, it's not as hard as you might think. In fact, you can get started right now with Einstein 1. Einstein 1 is the entire portfolio of Salesforce products that brings together CRM tools with trusted AI and data on one integrated platform. And the very first step in becoming an AI enterprise is to create a customer 360 with Einstein 1, because you need everyone in every department to have the same shared view of your customer. So, for example, your customer service team isn't just looking at a customer support case. They can also see that customers' interactions with sales or marketing. And sellers can see if a customer has open support cases or if they've been to the website. It's that level of personalization that can greatly improve customer relationships. But that customer 360 only works if you have all the data and can see absolutely everything you know about that customer. So the next step in becoming an AI enterprise is to unlock your data and integrate your apps. Companies use thousands of apps, and most of them, like 70% of those apps, are completely disconnected. That data ends up siloed, where somewhere you can't see it and someone else can't use it. It's all separated. Well, Einstein solves that by sharing data between all its apps and then using a library of connectors to bring in data from any other external source, no matter where it's stored or what format it's in. That makes your customer 360 even more powerful, because teams across your business can quickly access and take action on that data with AI. And here's where your customer 360 and all that data get put to use, because the next step in becoming an AI enterprise is to scale trusted AI across your entire business. And when we say trusted, we mean AI that doesn't put your sensitive data at risk. Whenever you use Salesforce AI, your data remains under your control, which is extremely important because you don't want sensitive customer data in the hands of some unknown third party. And not only is it safe, it's accessible. Anyone can use Einstein Copilot, the powerful AI assistant built directly into all Salesforce products. And because you took the time to build out your customer 360 first, Einstein is grounded in your data and knows the context of your business. So it can actually take action on your tasks at work. It can do things like generate custom marketing campaigns or write product descriptions. And it does this across every department. So that means it can tell a sales rep which leads they should follow up with, but it will also let them know if the customer has an open service ticket that needs to get resolved first, because it sees that data too. Now, all of this can make your employees more productive because Einstein Copilot is always there helping out. So they have more time to focus on other tasks, and it leads to better customer relationships because they can quickly and easily personalize every customer interaction. Okay, so you've got your customer 360, you've unlocked your data, and everyone is using the same AI Copilot. But you're not quite there yet. If you want your AI enterprise to be a long-term and successful investment, there are just a couple more things that need to happen, and the next step is to create a data-driven culture with AI analytics. So you can visualize your data, get insights from it, and more importantly, make decisions with it. Now you might be thinking, great, so I have to hire a bunch of data experts. No, you don't. You already have them, because Einstein AI lets anyone become a data expert by putting insights that are accessible and easy to digest in front of every employee wherever they're working. For example, the AI will proactively offer insights to marketers to help them understand current marketing trends, and the sales team can look at how their metrics are performing and get top insights right there in Slack. Now, if they want more context, they can open up a detailed view with one click. Once every employee can use AI to analyze and act on all your customer data, then you've almost become an AI enterprise. Almost? Well, look, you've made progress, some serious progress. You built a customer 360, unlocked your data, scaled AI across your entire business, and now you're getting amazing insights from that data and AI. But there is just one final step in becoming an AI enterprise. It's time to actually start collaborating with AI and talking directly to your CRM. Einstein Copilot is right there in Slack. You can chat with it in conversational language. And since it's one persistent copilot that knows the context of your entire business, it can take action for you across sales, service, marketing, and commerce directly in Slack. Just chat with the copilot and ask it to do things like update CRM records or search and summarize any information you're looking for. Now, at that point, Einstein AI isn't just a tool, it's a really valuable member of your team. And honestly, you'll probably wonder how you ever got by without it. And that is what it means to be an AI enterprise. Okay, that is all for this episode of Salesforce Explained. Hit the link on your screen to learn more. We'll also put a few resources for you in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.